State President ke Nationalist Congress Party NCP Saleng Sangma hakano phais ngi jong ar flight rekula lingkot arjat pulai ula Iehnoh ek jinglong khot jong u nang ying dorba thau an ka jilla Meghalaya. Uniu no ilam ke NCP ula IT ek sithi Iehnoh kam jong u how Commissioner and Secretary ke ying dorba thau an u Dr. Andrew Simons. Kani ke jing Iehnoh Saleng ya ke NCP kalong wo unya kun pa dek election nong thau an ke ying dorba ka jilla mentau snam arjat pulai na ka seng Congress.
You see, actually, this MDA, particular MDA government has created lots of incumbency, but the fact is that like the Delhi, especially the NCP, it seems like they are not serious. Whereas I just cannot take, right along with the, with them actually, because my objective is to change, at least do some kind of a reformation to the people. If the Delhi is not that serious, why would I go with them? My whole objective is for the people. If, to bring about the changes, I need a serious player actually, a bigger platform. Now with NCP, it seems like I'm stuck. I just cannot spread my wings, So that's the reason why I'm resigning from the NCP and then even from the MLA as an NCP MLA today. Anti-incumbency was created by the MDA, no doubt about it. I'm part and partial of it. I'm very much aware of that one. But in decision making, we were not there. We were not on the board, you see. So even people knew about it, and then people are aware about it. So why would I be scared? I don't have any, any threats regarding the anti-incumbency created by the FD government. Everybody has left Congress, and yet I'm, instead going back. It seems like maybe somebody might be thinking I'm a fool or maybe an idiot, but it will definitely give a little bigger platform than the, NCP. That's why I'm choosing, because my whole objective is for the people only. I want to do something for the people. That's why I need a bigger platform. So at least with Congress, there will be we actually, not I anymore. You got my point? Right now with NCP, I'm totally alone. Only I. So with I cannot do, especially in a democracy. So we need a team. That's why at least I'll have a team in Congress. So that way we can say that we can do something for the people of Meghalaya.